Fatma Technology Wali and I belong to Rehan School Lahore campus. And I am a teacher training participant at Rehan School Lahore campus. Today we talk with the TEDx talk. So our topic is that uh, Andrastra use data to build better schools. So I can review this TEDx talk. In TEDx talk review, so in his talk, Andres, the renowned education expert and director for education at OECD, the transformative power of data in education. He argues that data is not just a number but a vital tool to understand how schools function, how students learn, and how educators can improve outcomes. Data is a mirror, not a weapon. Stress that data should empower schools, not punish them. It offers insight into learning pattern, teaching effectiveness, and gaps, allowing schools to make informed decisions rather than relying on guesswork. Personalized learning through evidence use data, educators can understand the unique needs to each student. This allows for personalized teaching strategies that target specific areas for improvement, helping every student reach their full potential. And measuring what matters, these points out the traditional metrics often focus on rote memorization. Instead, schools should measure critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills. Skills that truly matter for the 21st century. Teacher support and training. Data is most effective when teachers are trained to interrupt and use it. He emphasizes that importance of professional development. Ensure educators can turn insight into practical classroom strategies. And in the other and in the other side, he said that teacher can do something for learn, and as a system level coordinates and policy makers can use user data to identify successful and the other way. He said that takeaway to the others, and Greece also said by emphasis that data should never be used to punish schools or teachers. Instead, it is a mirror that reflects reality. It only on reflects the reality to others. And he said, and also he said that he can emphasize that